gayogotianiwa ni ganyarire kurichira na gotebuna nene kero bari gwake bari gwakire gogo nigo barirete Kenya gosaba Kenya chira ao ijiatebuna ngochi bare gwikirani ona kwarianiri aseboniga kerondo jena chia butugirije daika 11 asichinza 10 enigo chuteri anena raria nyaraka okorekana asiritku ria rero oyogongonya nsense medio munwe manyererio niga kurugwa Joshua Uta neriane Brighton Makoli. Magiga bono yogotianiwa bene kuira libaga lioburai bwense ya Kenya nigo moske Uhuru Kenyatta nyaraka ukwana moske Dr. William Ruto niga nyaraka ukwana amange kurende aburitangani omokonyo yeri gatigashawa na nyaraka ukwanira ense anene karate abona bono nigo freedom ya nyaleke gocha sense yeito ya Kenya nigo bigato ya Kenya asogo chora obomo bwa Kenya kwanza na kubabeko bise karobalengete na nigo bagoji kwimokia uchumi ya sarikire asense ya Kenya.
Is that we have inherited a dilapidated economy that is facing almost an economic shutdown. We have a 10 trillion public debt. 6 million Kenyans have no employment. 14 million Kenyans are in CRB. We have a demoralized public service. It is your prayers that will help our president to put up a team and start work from day one to liberate this country economically and put it back to where President Mwai Kibaki left us 10 years ago. Your Excellency, the President, I want to tell the people of Kenya that today is a great day. Freedom is here with us. Freedom is here with us.
Oigo omokonyo yuri gatigashawa na nyaraka ote abuna bona bakenya bonsi gose bari barasaba korebe serikali nigo bagochi gutwara obosibore na gotobwa kende gionsi na onyenekero bakora imirimo yabo ya kiralitugo ni aya kwana na batabuna barabwo ase serikali yabo nigo bagochi kwene na mo Kenya onde bwenste yo chikogoswa asobokoreri bwaye.
From today, I want to tell the people of Kenya that you are finally free. I want to tell public servants, I want to tell all the people of Kenya, from now, you don't have to talk with each other through the WhatsApp for fear of being recorded and persecuted by state agencies. Your Excellency, our President. Your Excellency, our President, you have told us, and we believe you, that you shall never in your presidency use the criminal justice system to manage politics. You have told us that you'll manage politics the conventional way through persuasion and reaching out. I want to give a word on behalf of our president that you are free to criticize his government without fear of reprisal from state agencies.
Asensemo ya ye omurai bwense ogatano Dr. William Ruto niganyaraga komotoki nyasaye asobo buibwaye asatebya abakenya buna obobui bwaye gosobo buibwa Kenya kwanza nigo buru bwa nyasaye boigekerateruna na nigo barachokora emirimo erinde abakenya bonsi konyora obwene bwabo.
And let me say that standing here today is testimony that there is a God in heaven. And today I want to thank God because a village boy has become the president of Kenya. I want to thank my wife and family for always praying for me and praying for my team. I want to thank the many friends who have been with me in this journey. Many have gone through difficult times because of their association with me. Friends, I want to say thank you very much.
Boigo umurai wenso gatano Dr. William Ruto niganyara kawate abuno morogoba oboniga ngojare koba point gichaji isano nemo anechiri gitanyarde chigo appoint wingaki yumurai bokoro wenze Uhuru Kenyatta atanyarde kakorabo kawkwana ritkorero anekranyara kawoti ani wasegedikeri ya Kasarani nigateruna ngojare kwene kuna bachachi abungochi bargotianiwa abare agire musheru Jojo Dunga, Weldo Kolil na Joel Ngungi abwate abuna goikalit koria mambia nabokonyorana bachakire mirimo yabo asikigambero osasensemeli ya judiciary.
My commitment to the independence of the judiciary, this afternoon I will appoint the 6 judges already nominated for appointment to the Court of Appeal, which was done 3 years ago by the Judicial Service Commission. And tomorrow, I shall preside over their swearing in so that they can get on with the business of serving the people of Kenya.
Boigo abarai ao kurase jinsi jiskumbanyara bawikirana somoyegoyo asina barabu batogenze ya Kenya anenekero bagide chikura cyomorembe yeirire umuyegorero gokorekana sensemeri yomorembe ose gokorekana sensira yomorembe kako bakurawa no murai wose umurai bwenze ya Burundi nigate abunense ya Kenya tali ya orokiria masikani ya Kenyoka kolende asensemeri ya East Africa.
Kenya imeshinda na mafanikio yenu ni kiburi ya Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. Mumeshinda shetani ya vita. Hongereni sana. Hongera sana ndugu yangu mpendwa Mheshimiwa William Ruto kwa kuteuliwa kuwa rais wa Kenya. Ni presence nzuri, unakuja bila ubishi kama mtoto mzuri na nakutakia kila laheri. Wakenya na Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki kwa ujumla wanatazamia kwa hamu uongozi wako ndugu yangu Ruto, ambao utachukua sio tu kuipeleka nchi yako mbele kwa kimaendeleo, bali pia kuimarisha ushirikiano wa kikanda.
Boigo umurai wense ya Uganda Yoweri Museveni erena nyaraka wikarana somo yegoyo anenera karanyaraka watabuna jinze cha East Africa njita kire kubaderana erikwena kwinango kinibire uchumi ebwebire ngo kinibire uchumi ase chinzejo karatabuna nerebuya chinzeji gotumye bintu biribwate erikwegendereria kiuchumi.
According to my experience of 60 years, I would advise Africans to know that prosperity comes from wealth creation. You must create wealth. And wealth is not the same as natural resources. You may have natural resources, but you don't get wealth out of them. The wealth means commercial agriculture, manufacturing, services, hotels and ICT. Now, if I own a hotel, it is my wealth. But that hotel creates jobs for Kenyans or Ugandans.
Umurai wenze ya Tanzania nere Samia Suluhu Hassan nere naikirana asumoyigo ya sigeti ya Kasarani aseboyigo nera nyaraka gotogense ya Kenya anekeronero ya tigara koba nomorembekero bagete chikura nakero umurai wenza nyaraka kotiani gubena mo nomokonyo nere teturegwa nyaraka ukwana ekerekirana se umoyigo yo.
Nataka niwaambie ndugu zetu wa Kenya, kama kuna zawadi mlioitoa kwa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki mwaka huu ni zawadi ya amani mlioiweka katika uchaguzi. Tunawashukuru sana 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 kwa zawadi hiyo muhimu. Ndugu zangu wa Kenya, uchaguzi umemalizika. Sasa ni kujenga taifa la Kenya. Na hapa niungane na walioimba hapa kwamba wananchi wote wa Kenya sasa mshikane mikono kuijenga Kenya. Mwisho, kama dada, nitumie fursa hii kuihakikishia Kenya dhamira yetu ya dhati ya kufanya kazi kwa kushirikiana kwa karibu zaidi katika kuleta maendeleo ya pamoja ya kijamii na kiuchumi baina ya nchi zetu, lakini na ukanda wote wa Afrika Mashariki.
Na mange hakorekana asirit kurero amange ni kujukanya gikora gense ya moya bona marogoba kuninda bina roto guteri ngakimiroberio yagendera sense meri getigia Kasarani ekarabono ense ya Kenya egwatumurai ogatano wense Dr. William Ruto oinero gutora se miaka 5 ekarwa kwaderana no mokonyoye ligatiga shawa niko sabera maya asubora igwabo kurwasita seni Candice TV Ngonya sense meri yo murubi bonyererio nigakorokwa Joshua Uta no yorenga sense meri ye studio nigakorokwa Betronda Mukira Neliane Brighton Makoli.